Hi, this is Scott Schubert, and today I'm going to show you how you can quickly destroy your Forex trading business. Now, I know that may not be what you really want, but many traders are currently in the process of doing this, although unconsciously. But once you become aware of it, you can turn that around and then more deliberately and consciously begin to get the results that you're looking for. Now, I've been watching and observing some traders succeed and some fail for several years, and I'll share with you the one thing that will either quickly destroy your business or it will ensure your success. Let me give you an example. Trader A says, "Trading is going terribly. This is just not working. I'm giving up." Trader B, perhaps under the same circumstances, instead is thinking and saying, "My trading business is right on track. It's been less than 2 years and I can see that I'm almost at the point of mastery. I just need a little more practice or a slight tweak with what I'm already now doing." And I've seen so many people who are right on the brink of being able to consistently start increasing their capital and really getting the results that they're looking for, and yet at that same time they're thinking that everything is going terribly and they're just about to give up. You see, the human mind has the ability to totally create things that don't exist. I see this all the time, all around me, in all areas of life, not just trading. The mind can create a negative situation that's actually positive, and fortunately, vice versa. Here's another example. A trader A says, "All Forex training is a scam. Nothing really works." Trader B may be exposed to the same thing and say, "There's a lot of valuable training on trading. I'm constantly learning and developing my skill through my training and education." One trader told me he spent $5,000 on one program, $5,000 on another, thousands on several others, and he said he was glad to have spent that money, if for nothing else, to find out through process of elimination what doesn't work. He said that was a very valuable experience, and he learned from all of it. Often I can tell right from the beginning who's going to succeed right away and who's probably going to fail and give up after a short period of time. This is a true story, and that trader began multiplying his account quickly after learning our methods, and now is a professional trader earning his sole income through trading the markets. Here's another example. Trader A says, "The market is so strange lately. I don't think regular trading methods work anymore." Another trader can look at the exact same charts and say, "The market is actually doing the same thing that it has always done. It's constantly confirming that this trading method works extremely well." How is it that two different people can have such extremely opposite experiences? If you're involved in trading, think about some of the things you've heard recently. Have you heard something like this from Trader A? "Things are going terrible this week. There haven't been any trades and I'm not getting anywhere." Another trader, Trader B, can look at the exact same week and look at the exact same charts and say, "Things are right on track this week. I'm still waiting for the next entry, and I can see on the charts that the amount of time to wait is absolutely normal." Now, whether you're trading on the 5-minute time frame or the 1 hour, or the 4 hour, or the daily, on any time frame, there's a natural cycle in which we're always going to be waiting for an entry signal or waiting for an exit signal, and after each exit signal there's another cycle, a period of time in which we're waiting for the next entry signal. And that period of time, a lot of traders think that things are going wrong, when in fact you can just look at the chart and look back in the past and see how the cycle went before and see that the amount of time that it's now taking is exactly the normal amount of time, and that everything is right on track. And if you're constantly thinking that something is wrong when everything is perfect, you're going to sabotage your own results. People create all kinds of things in their minds that totally don't exist. People are always saying the most bizarre things that I'm thinking, where did you come up with that? Trader A says, Why does everyone lose in trading? Why is everyone constantly complaining? Well, who's this everyone? Who are you listening to? Trader B can look at the same group of people and say, it's normal in all business that most people don't choose to take the actions that lead to success. And that's documented and proven, and it's a well-established principle that's known in all areas of business, not just trading. So if you're going to be successful, doesn't it make sense that you would not listen to the people who are not having good results and who are complaining? Trader B says, I choose to only listen to people who are positive, happy, and are having success. I choose not to listen to the negative, poisonous thoughts of people who have not yet chosen to create their success. Doesn't that make total sense? If you intend to be successful in trading, you will seek out and only listen to people who are positive, happy, and are having success. That's the first thing you should distinguish if anyone is ever talking or communicating to you with regard to the trading business. Is the person happy? Are they positive? Are they encouraging and inspiring? Are they having success? If not, why would you want to listen to them? Because it's easy to listen to the 95 or 99 or whatever the percentage is of people who are not succeeding, but that obviously isn't going to help you to succeed. Trader A, they're constantly saying, learning to trade costs too much money. Don't you frequently hear people complain about having to spend some money, any money at all, having to do with trading? And when you think about it, the amount of money that people are spending is so small compared to any other business. Trader B says, compared with other businesses, trading has one of the lowest startup costs and lowest operating expenses, and that's absolutely true. Have you ever looked at any business and seen a lower startup cost and lower operating expenses than the trading business? Trader A says, trading is too difficult. It takes too long to learn this. People are always saying this, and people are always saying that it's virtually impossible to learn to trade, and yet some people are doing it. Trader B says, compared with becoming a doctor, trading is much easier and takes less time. Compared with starting a software company or a lot of other businesses, trading can take less time and training. If trading is so difficult and takes so long to learn, what business is it that you're interested in that's easier and takes less time to learn? If you want to succeed in trading, first thing is make sure you don't associate with people who are complaining. Now that may sound harsh, but that's actually a well-established principle that's known throughout many success training circles. Here's another piece of advice. Don't visit Forex trading forums where people are complaining. If you go on a Forex trading forum, chances are you're going to be bombarded by the most vile and venomous attacks from people who are bitter and complaining, and it never ceases to amaze me. If these people hate Forex trading, why do they spend all day long on the forums, posting on forums? Why don't they just go do something that they enjoy and that they appreciate? I've never quite understood that, but doesn't it make sense? When you go on a Forex trading forum and you see all this negative stuff and people complaining, you know right away this is not the place you want to be. Unless the people are all inspiring you and encouraging you and reassuring you that you're going to succeed with effort over time, with some practice and patience. If they're not constantly encouraging you with positive thoughts, then you know that this is not the place to be. Don't listen to friends or family members who discourage you. Now again, this may also sound harsh, but people have long since known in any kind of business, or many times in any endeavor in life, if you want to become a successful actor or an artist, or if you want to start a business of any kind, you may have friends and family members who are going to poison your thoughts and try to stomp on your dreams. And you can wish them well, and you can still love them and respect them, but you really need to shield yourself from their negative thoughts and maintain your own strength and determination with positive, confident thoughts of success and abundance for your future. Another thing is you need to just become aware of negative patterns of thinking. If you're not aware that this is an unconscious habit that many people have, then it will be very difficult for you to change it. But once you become aware of it, you can immediately, consciously and deliberately begin to replace those negative thoughts with their positive counterparts. Every time a negative thought arises, be aware of it and immediately replace it with a positive thought, because you can always look at the positive side. And if you're feeling discouraged about your trading business, chances are you really don't have any reason to feel discouraged quite yet, and you may be very close to success. If you want to succeed in trading, begin actively and deliberately creating positive alternatives for every negative thought. Use some kind of subconscious programming to clear negative thoughts and establish positive patterns of thinking. To find out what really works in trading Forex, futures, commodities, or stocks, go to forextradingseminar.com.